we will learn the next one. That name is the geographical discovery. Discovery means what? Search, found. In this period means 13th to 16th century. In this period, found the many new place. So which one we will see in this point. Okay. Geographical discoveries. 1453 AD, the Ottoman Turks conquered the Constantinople, which was the capital of the Byzantine Empire. Okay, so Ottoman Turk they won the Constantinople's place from the Byzantine empires. Constantinople place was very rich, very strong. They have the very strong fort, and it is that place was good for the trade. So the Turks won the Constantinople place. The overland trade route joining Asia and Europe went through this city, and from this Constantinople place, from this route, Europe and Asia, their import and export was going on. Okay. So, since this Turk blocked this route, there was a need for finding alternative trade route for the Europeans country to reach Asia. This led to a new phase of geographical discoveries. So, what happened in 1453? In 1453, Ottoman Turk won the Constantinople place. Okay, this place was very rich and this place was very good for trade. So that's why Ottoman Turk won this place, and from this route, Asia and Europe. Asia and Europe, their important export was going on the Constantinople place. Now this place is called the Istanbul. Okay, so Ottomans won this place Constantinople. So they said to Europe and Asia, see, you cannot go from this route. So that's why Europe have to find the new routes. So for that purpose, Europe started the new routes. That is called the geographical discoveries. So, during 15th century, European sailors went to expeditions of discovery sea route of India. In 1487 AD, Bartolomeu Dias was a Portuguese sailor began his expedition in search of India, but reached the tip of the American continent. Okay, in 1487, that Bartolomeu Dias he want to search the India, but he reached to America. He searched the place of America. Okay, Bartolomeu Dias, he was the Portuguese sailor, and he want to search the India for the trade, but unfortunately he went to America. So he found the America continent. Okay, next one, in 1492, what happened in 1492, the Christopher Columbus set as his journey to India by sailing towards west reached on the eastern coast of the continent America. Okay, Christopher Columbus, he was going to India, but he reached to the East America, and he found the eastern coast of Asian continent of America. And 1498, what happened? Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama managed to sail the past of the Cape of the Good Hopes and reach the the Indian coast in a conflict, and Vasco da Gama, he found the India coast in a conflict. I hope students you understood this point. Geographical discoveries. What happened in geographical discovery? In 1453, Ottoman Turk won the Constantinople place. Now this place we call the Istanbul. Okay, now Constantinople place was very rich and it's very good for trade. And from this route, Asia and Europe, there was important export was going on. So after won the Constantinople, Ottoman Turk said to Europe, you can't import from this route. So that's why Europe have to find the new route. So that's why many sailors that time import and export was going on by the sea. So that's why they started the new place. And 1487, Bartholomew Dias, Bartholomew Dias, he found he want to search the India, but he reached the America. He found the America. And another 1492, Christopher Columbus. He also he went for search the India, but he went to the eastern coast of continent of America. And afterwards, 1498, Vasco da Gama, he searched the Indian coast. I hope students you understood this one. Now next one, intellectual revolutions in the Europe. Okay, intellectual means what? Intellectual means changing the change in a thought. Before this period, people believe in a religions, but after last period of the medievals, people just change the thinking. Okay, due to this, during the Renaissance period, Europe proceeded from the medieval to modern age. Okay, Europe proceeded from the medieval to modern age, changing the pre-established customs, traditions. Okay, in this period, we have changed the customs and traditions. Means now we are using the smartphone, tab. Before we are using the very simple phone, but now we use the smartphone, smart TV. So in this period, they changes their customs, their clothes, things, and they change the traditions. Okay, these changes are called the intellectual revolutions. Okay. Now we will move the next one. The point is revolution in a political space. See, student, we saw the in every field have the change. Means in a discovery, in this period found a new place also. In thought also change. And now revolution in a political sphere. In a political sphere, there has had many changes. So which ones changes has done? Political changes took place during the beginning of modern period in Europe. Before modern period, change in the political sphere. Okay, development of the parliament democracy in England, and which types changes has done in the Europe. First one, parliamentary democracy in England. Parliamentary democracy. Okay. Democracy means in that period, king was the ruler. Whatever king will say, so other people have to listen. But in this period, change this thing, they develop the parliamentary democracy. Means people will decide which thing they want. Okay, which type of. Now parliamentary democracy. Bill of Rights 1698 laid limitations on power of king, and in this period launched the Bill of Rights. Okay. In 1689, they launched the Bill of Rights. Means in this bill, they mentioned the limitations of king. Means before whatever king got, he will say. He is not thinking they are also human. Sometimes some king was very rude. So means they was taking the more taxes from the money. They are not care of the peoples. So from this day, they put the limitation on the king power. Okay, and next one, the severing of the parliament was established. Now how is the government? In government or in parliament, have the many people, they come, they work together. Everyone's leader they have the separate work. Means a construction minister, for farmers have the different minister. So they establish the parliaments. Like how is the government? So they establish this type government in the beginning of the modern period. Okay. I hope you understood this point. Revolution in a political sphere. Which type of changes is done in a political sphere? First, parliamentary democracy. In a beginning of the modern period, they start the democracy. Means what people want. Peoples will decide, not their kings. And they launched the Bill of the Right in 1689. From this bill, they mention the limits of the kings. Whatever king want, he can do it. Okay. Next one, American War of the Independence. So what happened in what is the American War? Okay. American War held in 1775 and 1783. Understood, student? American War held in 1775 and 1775 to 1782. With the discovery of America, European countries turned their attention towards this continent. Okay. Many countries, they want to search the new place for the trade. So European countries, they found the America for the trade. So they took the control of different regions of the America. When they found the America, so they established their colony and they started their own rules. They established their colonies. England also established 13 colonies, and England established the 13 colonies in America, and they dominate the American peoples. The England parliaments, how was the behavior with the American peoples? They always dominating rules. They always dominate the common peoples. They apply their own restrictions. What they want, they said when they take the lot of tax from the common people. They was very good. Still they are behaving bad with the American people. They collecting the high taxes, okay, from the common innocent peoples. So 13 colonies are organized army under the leadership of the George Washington and won against the England. Afterwards, see student, England, they found the American place. So afterwards they established their colonies and they dominated the American peoples. How the British came in our country? First they came for India Company. Okay, afterwards they will dominate us. They badly behavior with us. So same thing happened in America also. England established their colony and they dominate to American peoples. They apply the very badly restrictions to on common people. They collect the more taxes. Taxes means money. That they was taking the more taxes from the American people. So American peoples were fed up. They decided we should be war against them. So they collect the armies under the leadership of the George Washington. Who? George Washington. Okay, he is George. Maybe you heard this in George Washington. George Washington, he is the first president of the America. Okay, George Washington, he was the first American president. He collected his American army and he fight against the England colonies and they won this war. Afterwards, England they lost and they left the America. This event is known as the American War. This movement is called the American War. Students, I hope you understood the American War. Okay, American War held in 1775 to 1780. Okay, England colony found the American place and they started their own colonies. They started the 13 colonies in America. They dominate the peoples and they were very badly behaved here with the American peoples. Afterwards, American peoples fed up and they said we should be opposed to them. So they made their own army and they war against the England and they won this war. Okay, America won this war. They got the freedom from the England. Afterward, they start their own nations. The America become the nations known as the United States of America. Afterwards, after this war, America become the United States of America. Now we say the USA. Okay, federal government was established after England. After England's fate, America established their own government and they returned their constitution. Also, our Indian constitution. Constitution means rule of the country, which types we have to do the work in the country. So America also wrote their constitutions, and the people of the democracy was one. They on the democracy. Democracy means people will decide. Okay, give the importance to the person. Okay, student. Now we will see the next one, French Revolutions. Okay, French Revolution. Now we saw the American War. Now we see the French Revolution. Okay. So what is French Revolutions? Okay, French people revolted against the unjust monarchy and feudalism. Okay, French people revolted against the unjust okay. They fight against the monarchy. Monarchy, he was the king. He was the king of the French, and he was very badly French peoples. So all peoples came together. They fight against our king. It is very big thing. Okay, that times, because king is ruler, is everything for peoples. He is a high authority. So still all peoples came together. They find out their own king and they make the their priest give the money to the some money give to the army, and army give the protects to king and noble person, but not common people. And that king noble person they take the money from the common people, from the innocent people. So that the peoples all are fed up and they decided we should be fight against the monarchy of our king, and they came together and they fight against the monarchy. Okay, so this time they got the freedom from their monarchy. Okay, and they established the three values. Okay, which these three values: liberty, equality, and fraternity. Okay. Now, students, our constitution also established on this three important value. Okay, this very important. We took the value. In our constitution have this three value. This three value we took from the French constitution. They give the liberty, equality, and fraternity. Equality means freedom. Now we all are free. Means people have means what was father say occupations. The same occupation have to the that his child. But now everyone is the free. Means everyone is they can choose our job, professions, field. Okay, and equality. All our peoples are equals. This types of value we took from the French, and fraternity means we all peoples we should be live together. These three important values we took from the French Revolution. I hope students you understood this lesson. In this video we learned this point, period of the essence. Period of essence means period of change. In this period, 13th to 16th century, happened the many new changes. So that's why it's called the period of the essence. In this period, Johnson's Gutenberg first found the printing. So this printing is was very helpful for the spread our knowledge idea to the common people. Next one we saw the Leonardo Vinci. Leonardo Vinci. He was the very all-rounder person. Okay, he draw the very famous painting. That one is the Mona Lisa and Supper. He had the knowledge of the arts and science, and he was the master in sculpture, astronomy, music. He was a very all-rounder person. After we saw the religious revolutions movement. Religious means in the regions. Before, in that period, many people give the importance to the religions. But in this period, many people came together. They fight against the Christian church, and afterwards, people give the more importance to the human freedom, because Christian priests they make the fool to people from the through the religion. Okay, and afterward, geographical discoveries. We learn the geographical discoveries. What we learned? 1453, Ottoman Turk won the Constantinople place. That place was very rich, good for the trade. And from this route, Asia and Europe, there was going the trade. So Ottoman Turk said to European, you can't go from this route. So European had to search the new place, and so after they started to search the new place. In 1487, they found the America continent. Afterwards, they found the east coast of America. Afterwards, 1490, they found the India also. And next one, intellectual revolution in Europe. Intellectual means they changed afterwards we learn the revolution in political sphere. In a political field also it is many things. They established the parliamentary democracy. Okay, they give the more importance of people's thinking, what people want, not the king. Okay, they launched the Bill of the Right in 1689. Bill of Right means from this Bill of Right they put the limitation of kings. Whatever king what they can't do it. Okay, king will work for the peoples. And afterwards we learn the American War. Okay, this is very important. England found the American continent. Afterwards they established the 13 colonies in America, and England wanted to dominate the common peoples and American people. They collect the more taxes from the American peoples. Afterwards American peoples fed up. So they started to fight the England colonies. So George Washington, he collected his army and they fight against the England, and they won the battle, and America became the independence. Okay, we learn, and afterwards we saw the French Revolution. In the French Revolution, we saw the French people fight against the monarchy. He was the king, and French give the liberty, equality, fraternity. These three values they give to us. I hope students you understood this point. Read once time and to take out the important point from this lesson. Okay, thank you.